Everything about the new Pioneer was designed to give you more control while still getting the benefits of a dual-direction rear tine tiller. The lower and wider body provides the perfect balance from front to back and side to side, eliminating those tippy and top-heavy tilling experiences you get with offset engine and transmission configurations. The transmission on the Pioneer is so efficient that it is able to accomplish equal work to larger tillers while offering the user more control. Designed for performance, the Pioneer uses a lighter and quieter engine that is right-sized for the job, reducing the weight and offering a smoother, less noisy, and more balanced experience during operation. Pioneer removes the guesswork from getting in gear with a shift positioning system that other dual-direction tillers envy. No fuss, no cuss, no back and forth. Easily find the drive mode you want by simply sliding the shift handle into your preferred mode on the locator plate. Unlike its competitors, Pioneer takes the shift out of backing up. Seamlessly maneuver backwards in your garden with the quick pull of a handle. Release the handle to go forward again. Not only will the super-wide airless wheels never go flat, they have seriously aggressive lugs for clawing at the dirt for maximum traction. Step to the side of your tilling path and employ one-handed operation to avoid those annoying footsteps in your seedbed. In order to take control of your garden, take control of your garden tiller with the new Pioneer from Earthquake.